Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore 50 household chores with action verbs to help beginners improve their daily English. We'll provide simple sentences to describe each chore. Let's get started. I wash the dishes after every meal. I wipe down the countertops to keep the kitchen clean. I take out the trash every day to avoid bad smells. I sweep the floor to remove dust and crumbs. I make the bed every morning to start the day right. I wash clothes regularly to keep them fresh. After washing, I fold the laundry and put it away. I feed my pets every morning and evening. I water the plants to help them grow. I tidy up the living room to keep it neat. I vacuum the carpets to remove dirt and dust. I dust surfaces to keep them clean and shiny. I clean the bathroom to keep it hygienic. I mop the floors to make them sparkle. I change the bed linens to keep the bed fresh. I clean the windows to let in more light. I organize the closets to find things easily. I clean the refrigerator to keep food safe. I wash the car to keep it looking good. I clean the microwave to remove food splatters. And there you have it. 50 household chores with action verbs to help you practice daily English. Incorporate these simple sentences into your routine, and you'll improve your language skills while keeping your home in top shape. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you next time.